Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, I am going to explain SQL Server Management Studio installation. In the last video, we have installed SQL Server. This is a part 2 of SQL Server installation. If you don't watch the previous part, you must watch before watching this video, because for installing SSMS, we must need to install SQL Server before this installation. Okay. SQL Server Management Studio. So SSMS, I can say in short way. So what is the use of this? So SSMS is the tool in which we are going to work with databases. So it is a tool or IDE, we can say. So after opening this tool, this SQL Server Management Studio will show us script editors. So like notepad, we have some uh, editor, so that in that editor we are going to write a SQL language to retrieve the data or to manage the data. So if you want to take some data from the database, we have to write some queries, right? So that queries will be written in editors. So these editors and tools, like giving some security, all the graphical interface, we can say all the graphical interface will be provided by SSMS. So let's get started with the SSMS installation. I'm going to actually, in the previous part, we started SSMS installation. We have some button for installing SSMS after installing SQL Server. So if you don't install with that link, we can install separately. Just type SQL Server Management Studio installation. Click download SQL, this link. It is redirecting to Microsoft, and here we have some link like free download for SQL Server Management Studio. Click on this, and here it is downloading. Just wait for a few minutes. Actually, in the last part we have already downloaded. It's okay, no problem. We can download again. We have 2 minutes left. You don't worry about the explanation. If you don't understand, no problem, we will be working in this tool only. So by opening and practicing in this tool, you will you will come to know. Okay, we have 40 seconds. It is completed. Okay, let's go to the downloads folder. So we have downloaded the file here. Just double click on it. Yeah, we have some window here. Just click on install. Click on yes. It is loading some packages. We can have our overall progress here. We can see. Yeah, I have downloading and installing for my Windows operating system presently. For Mac, we have to download different file. It's almost completed. So after installing this tool, I will be going to upload videos regarding SQL Server. So the SQL Server series is coming soon. Please stay on .NET Tutor for more updates. And please do share with your colleagues, with your classmates, and those who are interested to learn .NET or SQL, HTML, or who are ready to move to software field. So these are the basic technologies everyone should learn. So if you have any questions, you can mail me. You can mail to dotnettutoronline@gmail.com. You can also follow this .NET Tutor channel in Facebook and Instagram also. So our setup is completed. All the components have installed. So just close this window. Let's check where it is. SQL Server Management Studio. This is what we have installed. It's loading. It's better to restart after installation of any application. So this is what I have explained about Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So in order to connect with SQL Server, this is the tool. So in the part 1 of installation, SQL Server installation, I explained about SQL Server, right? So this is SSMS is connecting to the SQL Server, which we have installed before. That's it guys for today. I will post another video. I will start a SQL Server series. So thank you for watching. Please share with your friends who are eager to know about .NET, and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you very much. For more updates, please stay tuned on .NET Tutor in Facebook and Instagram also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.